Well, welcome to the week 13 video. Week 13, 14, we're going to be working on drafting our recommendation report. The recommendation report is due on December 8th. So we're going to work on it 13, whoops, up here, 13, 14, however you want to work on it, go ahead. Again, extra credit for the Writing Center. So there's not much to be saying with this. Just draft. Just work on it, draft. Post what you want feedback on. And for the second part, provide feedback to a student. I went over this in the weekly, the week 11, 12 recap, looking ahead to week 13. We're done with the textbook. It's just writing, revising, writing, revising, writing, revising. That's all we can do. There is a sample work provided for you. So just do what you do best. Thanks. Bye.